Hello friends, welcome to our channel organized by Darci, where we take the very simple and inexpensive and make it look so elegant. So today I'm going to be doing the prep for all the vegetable for the week. So let me show you what I've done so far. Let's get started. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Darci and I do weekly organizational videos. I will be doing for the month of June, however, a series on healthy eating lifestyle. If that's something that piques your interest, then you're in at the right place. These are some of the vegetables that we prepare for the week. So what I have here is I'll cut them up after I've washed and dry them. I'll cut them up, put them in portion-sized bags, for example here. Then each day I'll just take a bag from the refrigerator, as in the case of the broccoli here. I'll take that bag and that's what I'll prepare for the night's dinner with some other veggie, of course. The spinach we use for breakfast and for dinner, so that once the bags are open, I'll put them in portion-size containers. Of course, the asparagus, the same thing applies. I wash and dry them, put them in portion-sized bags, and then they're ready for the week. The same with the cucumbers as well. Now, here I have black pepper, I have red pepper, green pepper, yellow pepper, and onions cut up. And this we use for both breakfast and dinner. So this is really easy. When it's time to prepare the meal, then all we have to do is take a container out and use whatever portion of that container that we need for that particular meal. Then of course we have the cauliflower here, and I have 4, but usually I'll buy 6 cauliflower for the week. And most people don't like cauliflower, but it's nutritious, it's easy to prepare, and one that we enjoy having here as a meal, so as part of a meal. So I'll show you in one of the recipes that I plan to do how easy it is to prepare the cauliflower. I'll even do one later on. So I'll do 2 of the cauliflowers, and so I'll just have enough for a couple of days. But this is what it looks like in the week's preparation in terms of the dinners. But of course, it's so much easier once everything is prepped that I'll take an hour or 2 to put this together during the day, but when it's ready to prepare a meal, all I have to do is put the things in the oven or steam if I need to do that on the stove, and that's it. It's very easy during the week when the meals are prepared. So again, I hope you enjoyed watching this video. I hope you'll take the time, of course, to subscribe to my channel. That is if you have not already done so. And if you have, I want to say a special thanks to you. You know, of course, I'm always very happy, very appreciative when you support our channel. Again, thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to seeing you next time in our next video. Goodbye, and of course, good luck.